In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together one of these Hampton Bay swivel chairs. This is the Riverbrook collection from Hampton Bay. We just got this delivered today, and I'm going to show you how to put together one of these chairs, these swivel chairs. They're pretty nice. Let's get to it. Okay, we got our little tools right here. This is a little tool set that comes with each chair. We've already put together two of them, and also my son got a separate wrench and a ratchet, and also we got a knife to help us get into everything. So let's get started. All right, so here is the bottom of the chair. First thing we need to do is work on getting these armrests on both sides here. So that's the first side of my business.
Hey, I'm jumping in, I dropped the pin, I'm on the way. Might not get there right on time, I'm never late.
All right, the first thing we need to do is get these six of these AA screws. They're on the top left on the package that is sent with you in the box for each chair. So it's these screws right here, and you need this little wrench right here. So I already popped it out. So let's get some of these screws. First thing you need to do is I would turn this upside down, maybe on your lap, like I have right here. And then you want to get this, which is going to actually be on the right side. So this is one of the armrests. You can see we need to have this part. We need to have this part. It's going to go on this hole right here. You can see that. And then we've got these little holes right here, the armrest. So I'm going to go ahead and screw a couple of these in by hand a little bit here. They have a built-in washer on them. Alright, so I got those screwed in by hand so it wouldn't fall out. Alright, so this right here, you can see there's a hole right here. Alright, so that's pretty much it. You're going to get your little hex screw, and you can turn it upright, do it that way, and then pull it sideways to get a little more leverage. Tighten it up. You're going to come to you right here, so it's going to be righty-tighty, I guess, right? And let's get these other two in the front. Yeah, it's going to be the front part of the chair, so let's go ahead and tighten these up.
Time to get up. These glasses, jacket and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up. It's chilly outside, but I'm ready.
Got one armrest on the right side tight now, and it should be correct. This is actually going to be the one on the left hand side, but I got it flipped upside down. So you see, got a little hole right here. Right here is going to match up, and the two holes right over here. So that's not bad.
Wait, going for the distance, drop top, hopping in the rain.
Do one in here a little bit so it doesn't fall all over the place. And here's the pack. So they have one extra screw. So you should have several screws. Might be a good idea to put those in a safe place after everything is put together.
I hate being late. Here we go again. Time to get up. These glasses, jacket and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up. It's chilly outside, but I'm ready. Get up before the sun is up, baby, let's work. Good morning.
These screws, one down on the bottom right here, bottom left.
Get up before the sun is up, baby, let's work.
These are the UV screws.
Touch, even though the odds stack up, act up, I like us. We can still bring the ruckus from the back of the bus. A brand new start, I left it yesterday. All behind me for the better way.
You can see right here, kind of got these hand screwed in. So we're just going to go on the other side. Alright, then secured. Then we can go back and tighten them all.
Everybody moving harmony, ain't missing a beat. Breathe in, breathe out, the final push. Feel it burn, hurt so good, now I'm gone. Time to get up. These glasses, jacket and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up. It's chilly outside, but I'm ready to burn.
Got these 4 screws into the arm on the side, and they're hand tight. So now we're just gonna get the little hex wrench and work on tightening these up.
Good morning. Get up before the sun is up, baby, let's work. Baby, let's work. Let's work. Good morning.
Here with the squad, everybody tryna go, yeah, the party jumping off. Hey, we putting on a show, tryna catch a vibe.
Alright, so this goes like this. We got a little plate that I just showed you right there. It goes on the other side in a big bolt that has a washer on it. Big bolt with a washer, and then it comes through to the other side. There's another plate that comes on this side with a small, you can add a small washer to that. Let's get one of these on here and get going. Try to keep it from falling off.
Don't matter what they say. Say, hey, I've been on the wave. It's a party, make a toast. It's a party every day. So anywhere you go, all across the coast, we do it every time like
big washer.
I got nothing but the highlights. Can't believe that this is my life. I'm only living on the bright side. I'm like this is where I wanna be.
Alright. Get this other plate.
This is where I wanna stay. I could do this every day.
I'm gonna go up to the bottom right here. And I got a big washer. And I got a little washer. And I got a nut that goes on top of it. Now they do provide you with these little wrenches. You can see them right over here. Here's the little wrenches they provide. You can pop those out. You can use one side to tighten it with, and you'll need the other one to hold it tight in the back because it's going to turn. Or you can get a ratchet set and maybe a bigger wrench like this. My son went and got this. So I'm going to use the big wrench here to hold the top of the bolt on the other side, and use the ratchet set to tighten on this side.
Every day I get it, every day I got it, got enough, so I split it. Everybody solid, worldwide, now I'm trending. On that hot topic, touchdown, now I'm winning. How they gon' stop it? We the
ratchet set is definitely the way to go on this. You can do it without it, but it's gonna be a lot more difficult.
Let them know if they forget it, cause we got it all day, all night. You know we got it like that, got it like that. All day, all night, you know we got it like that, got it like that. We coming up, oh yeah we coming up, oh yeah we coming up, oh yeah we coming up. All day, all night, you know we got it like that.
Alright, got it nice and tight on here. All we need to do is flip it upside down and pop it on one of the bases there. And then when we sit in it, we'll hear it kind of click and know that it's secured all the way. Let's go ahead and grab it. Go. Okay. And here. You can feel it kind of click. So the Hampton Bay 5-piece dining set. This is the River Brook collection from Hampton Bay. And this is how to put together a swivel chair, how to put together a swivel chair from Hampton Bay, the 5-piece Riverbrook dining set. Hope this was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.